Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Foxtel app showing error. So let's get started. So here we can see the Foxtel app. If it's showing the error, you have to follow this easy step. So press and hold it here. Just click the I button. It will open the app info section of your app. So when you will just go to the app info, just go to the storage section. Click on clear data. Just clear the existing data. Then you have to open the app again. If it's work for you, then fine. If it does not work for you, just check for an update. So go to the Google search bar and search for the Foxtel app. So here, from here you can search for the Foxtel app. Okay, just download the latest version of this app and it will work. If you have any related question, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. And thank you for watching.